Next topic is different types of data models. There are three well-known data models available: relational model, network model, hierarchical model. First one is relational model and it represents data as relations or a table. The network model represents data as a record types. The hierarchical model represents data as a hierarchical tree structure. Each branch of the hierarchy represents a number of related records. Usually, graphical representation for better understanding. ER model gives you a clear model of your product. So, we will have a good discussion of ER diagram. Entity relationship diagram. Before we see an example of entity relationship diagram, we will see the notations used in ER diagram. Entity, relationship, simple attribute, multi-valued attribute, composite attribute, derived attribute. Next, we are going to discuss the definition and its example of each notations in entity relationship diagram. Entity relationship diagram describes the structure of a database with the help of diagram. In that, entity is an object or component of a data represented by rectangle. Let us consider an example, student database. In that, we have two entities, student and college. These two entities have many to one relationship as many students are studying in a college. Relationship. Relationship in the context of databases is a situation which exists between two entities. For example, students studying in a college. In that, studying is the relationship. Attribute. Attributes are the properties of entities are represented by ellipses. In student entity, student ID, name, address are the attributes. Composite attribute. Composite attributes are made of more than one simple attributes. It is represented by ellipses that are connected with an ellipse. Example, name. Name which will consist of first name, middle name and last name. Multi-valued attribute. Multi-valued attribute which can more than one value for a given entity from an entity set. It is represented by double ellipse. For example, a person may have more than one mobile numbers. Derived attribute. Derived attributes which can derived from other attributes. It is represented by dashed ellipse. For example, if date of birth is known, age can be calculated automatically.